All right, please don't judge me on my laundry room. This whole project started for one reason, and that is this closet. All I needed was some Windex, and it turned into ripping everything apart. Who else does that? One little thing, you know? And when I start pulling everything out, I'm like, oh my God, what a mess. But sometimes a little fresh coat of paint can really change your feeling of a room. And that closet needed a makeover. We got the nice little floating shelves, and there's room between my animals too. They're a pain in my ass. Love them. That's Oregon. Always up my butt, but I love them. What do you think of this green? That's Dakota. She's my main woman. Oh my God, this is the bane of my existence. This corner, this hot water heater has been in my life for too many years looking like crap. So I've decided to build a box around it, but I wanted it to look nice and also be functional. So who doesn't like to use pocket holes? Raise your hand. I do. And I like to build stuff. So the main thing with this is I didn't want to build a box into the wall where it wasn't accessible on the fly, because what if there's a leak? What if I need to turn the water off fast? So that's my plan, to make it fully removable and not block any of the wires and tubes and all that stuff. But what an eyesore. I've been wanting to do this for so many years. Who knew just a bottle of Windex was gonna prompt me to do all this today? And that's the box, clamped down. However, after inspecting everything, I have noticed that there was a little problem. You'll see. And water is the problem. And that's why I need this fully removable. Those little brackets on the wall sort of hold up the back side of this box. Dakota's going to come and do the final reveal with me. All right, there it is. See that nice box? Boom. So much better. And my closet. Oh my gosh. It just makes me want to do better. It makes me want to be better. And it's got a little automatic light. That's it, folks. The end.